All right, well, made it out to Chilao, Chilao Campground. Happy to be here. It was a smooth transition, safe drive, and just want to show you around. I'm just preparing to set up. Just took care of the business of the campground, paying the fees, $20 a night. The only challenge with this campground is it's a first come, first served basis. So I'm here on a Friday in the month of May. Actually, it is the 1st of May. And I wish I would have been here earlier, but there's about 36, 40 campsites. I've seen about maybe 6, 7 people already here, and one couple came in right after me. So there's plenty of space. It's kind of spaced out. I'm at campsite number 14. This is a nice spot. It's got a little shade, some flat ground if you're going to tent camp. Let me just preface all of this by saying if you are going to car camp, it is superb. You car camping, let me find the light here. Where's my light? If you're car camping, or if you're going to be in a position where you've got lots of people, they have double wide campsites, like 18-foot trailers could fit there, and that's time too. So if you have a group, like my car is $20. Any additional car with people in it, up to 8 is $5 per car. So it's a great deal, great bargain. Again, campsite 14. I have all of this space. Let's see if we can follow. Here, I think I'm gonna set up camp, my tent, and it's wide, it's beautiful, it's mildly shaded. I might get shade. Right now it's 10:30. Sun is right above me. If we can follow over. Again, I'm setting up. Let's see. We do have this. So it does come with a campfire set up. Before you come and bring wood, check out if it's permitted or not. Right now, the rating is moderate. So it's pretty good right now. And then you have all of this space. So if you're bringing multiple tents, you got the whole family or big family, then that would work. And then you've got all this space for tables, chairs, and what have you. Then, if you can see over my shoulder, you have the Angeles Forest, and it's just glistening. So, Chilao Campground, site number 14. I'll show you my setup later. And this is it for now. I've got camp pretty much set up. And before I sit down for a few minutes, I want to show you what we set up. Show you some of the things that we brought out. Today is going to be a car camping episode as opposed to backpacking. So let's get into it. So of course, we're out here in the very handy and reliable Subaru Forester. Got me here safe and does what it's supposed to do. Here's another quick preview of the campground. fire pit. People just won't clean up after themselves. 2026, we're running the brand new Nemo Dagger 2. So this is an update. It's larger, it's nicer. It's got a nice, or I should say bigger vestibule with that landing zone. So if you are backpacking, which is normally the case, you have a place to put your gear. Let's get inside real quick. I did not like how they did the zippers until now. It used to be just one, but this is much easier. Inside is spacious. Me and Shorty definitely can fit in here. I'm running a Nemo pad. I can't think of the name of that pad. I'll put it up on the screen. I'm running the Nemo Tensor all-weather sleeping pad, the long and the wide. I just got, and we'll see tonight, how this Sea to Summit pillow. Pillow has been the bane of my existence. Oftentimes, this is a cheapo little blanket, down blanket that I first purchased. Usually I can sleep with that, but of course I do have my sleeping bag. And here's the tent setup. Let's go over here to camp. I'm gonna turn you on to some, oh, by the way, this tent is really nice. So I'm just airing it out. Got both sides open. And in case you wanted another view, here's my campsite. Site 14 at Chilao, C-H-I-L-A-O, Campground. It's Friday. I would recommend that you come because all of the sites are first come, first serve. Had a nice pick. It was not empty when I got here, but chose well. If you do come, site 14 was primo, if you like a view. I will be hiking tomorrow. Brought the comfy chair as opposed to the backpacking chair. Thanks to Patty, we got these. These are the Nature Hike. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Go to Nature Hike. This was maybe $50. As well as this small Nature Hike table. Bug repellent. I think this is Flex Tail. I love my lights. My little kitchen area. Again, don't spend a lot of money on gear. Go to some place like this. Nature Hike. They have the stuff. It's solid. I leveled this table out. If you don't know, on your iPhone, you have a leveling app. I just laid it on the table, and the table has adjustments. So my silverware is not rolling off. Night core lanterns. Fire maple stove. This is my backpacking stove, but it works. I'm just going to be eating these meals as opposed to cooking, so I didn't bring a whole stove. This was a whole purchase. I just wanted this Dometic water tank. 2 taps. It's bougie. I have my coffee. I'm ready. My grinder, my beans, and can't think of the name of this, my AeroPress. This was first purchase. Again, if you're backpacking or you want something light, get this set up right here. This is fire maple. This whole setup, the stove, the pot, And the titanium canister holder probably didn't run me over $50. And all of this, the stove, the canister, the holder, fits inside of there, and that's what I take backpacking. Did not put the nails in the tree. This is my Cedar Summit. This was a good purchase. This is my trash bag. It comes, it seals, it's lined, and you can put a trash bag in there, seal it up, and pack it out. Pack it in, pack it out. Here's another steal. Do not, unless you just want to spend money, go and buy camping boxes. This is my car camping setup. I usually have a backpack. These came from Home Depot. These are Husky bins. And this is my whole setup. Virtually everything, including that big old tent over there, fit into this box. And this is just some extras. I just got that because. And it all packs into here. It's weather sealed. It's see-through. So if you get multiple, you can see what's in the box. And they're stackable. I don't remember the size of this one, but obviously this is a smaller one. And this is my car camping setup. $60 for maybe both, but definitely I wanted some camping boxes, and at REI, a box this size was almost $200. Don't do it. All right, that's it. I'm hungry. Oh, I found this little cheap seat. I only bought it because she likes to put her feet up when she's sitting in her nice chair.